A rangoli is a traditional Indian art form where colorful patterns are created on the floor or ground. A rangoli making competition was recently held at the Dr. ذاکر Hussein Memorial Senior Secondary School, showcasing the students' artistic talents and creativity. The event, which was open to all students, saw participants from various classes creating intricate and colorful rangoli designs. The competition aimed to celebrate cultural heritage, encourage teamwork, and foster a sense of community. The competition was organized under Har Ghar Tiranga, which aims at every house should have a tricolor. Thank you.
दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती भरे मन की